So this is Bug's version of throwing balls up high. Look, Bug, throw it. Throw it up high. Up high. Good job. No, no. Dirty. Go do it. Go. Get it. That's how he thinks it goes. Bug, watch. Throw it up high. Close enough. No. Water? We have Haribo Berry over here, who is huge. Believe it or not, he's only 3 months old. Bug. Bug, are you done? I guess so.